Your AI is replying to leads all day. Email, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, but who's actually watching it? Meet the Vyroq console, inside insights, right next to analytics. Open any conversation, and the conversation header shows you every channel badge in that thread, plus a drop-down to pick the AI profile. Driving replies. Switch personas mid-conversation, no code required. Here's the real safety net. If a lead gets flagged angry, a churn risk, or disqualified, Vyroq auto-pauses the bot and shows a banner right in the timeline with the exact reason. A human took over, same banner, same one-click, resume AI button. Every message carries its channel icon and timestamp, and AI-drafted replies get a small AI tag. So you always know what a human wrote versus what the assistant sent. Voice notes even get transcribed inline. Expand the transcript and read exactly what your lead said, no audio player required. That's oversight without micromanagement. Your AI handles the volume, you stay one click from full control. Stay in control of every AI reply. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.